Exposing the secret to fixing your iPhone flashlight. This is gonna blow your mind. First up, restart your iPhone. Hold the side button and a volume button till you see the power slider. Slide it off, wait a few seconds, then power back on. Easy peasy. Next, check low power mode. Go to settings, then battery, and make sure low power mode is off. Flashlight needs full power to shine. Now, verify the flashlight in Control Center. Go to Settings, Control Center, tap Edit, and ensure the flashlight icon is added. If not, tap the plus next to flashlight. Still no luck? Update your software. Go to Settings General, Software Update, and check for updates. If the issue persists, reset all settings. Go to Settings General, Transfer or Reset. Reset, then reset all settings. Don't worry, you won't lose any data. Lastly, check LED flash for alerts. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Audio and Visual, then turn on LED flash for alerts. If none of these tricks work, it might be hardware. Time to contact Apple support.